Massachusetts. Today we're going to take a look at the company Uni-Pac. Their paper packaging allows companies to ship their products all over the world for everyone to use and enjoy, inspiring us to do great things every day. Let's learn more about Uni-Pac. Well, I know that 68% of their power comes from hydroelectricity. Yeah, and also it's a family-owned business that uses 100% recycled fibers. Massachusetts. There may be bigger places, but we have the biggest hearts. Uni-Pac brings visions to life and represents what we as a state have to offer. Uni-Pac structurally and graphically designs custom packaging and game boards. Uni-Pac makes packaging in an eco-friendly way, giving small companies their last step to bring their ideas to life, right down the street in Holyoke, Massachusetts.
Uni-Pac, Uni-Pac, who made that? Massachusetts!